Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining your core offer in one clear sentence so every keyword ties back to intent. Next, build a seed list of 10-20 obvious keywords you already expect people to use. Then open Google Ads Keyword Planner and connect Google Analytics so you can pull historical search data. Once done, run an initial forecast for impressions and CPC ranges. Make sure to export results as CSV so you can iterate quickly and avoid retyping. You now expand and refine. Feed your seed keywords into Planner and related searches to reach 200-500 candidate terms. After that, group terms by user intent: transactional, informational, navigational, because match types and bids differ by intent. Once grouped, apply filters for minimum monthly volume, maximum competition, and target CPC thresholds to remove poor fit terms. Then calculate estimated ROI per group. If a cluster shows low conversion potential, deprioritize it before you set match types and bids. You finalize by choosing the top 50-100 keywords and assigning sensible match types and negative keywords to control relevance. Next, structure campaigns and ad groups so each group shares a tight theme and landing page. This improves quality score and conversion rates. Monitor performance for 14 to 30 days, then adjust bids, add negative keywords, and tweak landing pages based on conversion data. If traffic is low, troubleshoot by broadening match types, increasing bids, or testing new ad copy to improve CTR and quality score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.